Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get directions from Google Map on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Gemini Live instantly opens Google Map with the fastest route preloaded using your current location on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. In Gemini, we'll go ahead and open up Gemini Live. And here we'll go ahead and ask it to find us a route to the nearest coffee shop. Get me directions to the nearest coffee shop, please.
I can give you directions, but I can't find the nearest coffee shop for you. Is there a specific coffee shop you'd like directions to?
Yes, Starbucks.
The closest Starbucks is about 2.3 miles away on John Kempe Way. Would you like directions there?
Yes.
Okay, I have directions for you to Starbucks on John Kempe Way. It's about 3.9 miles away. It should take approximately 15 minutes to drive.
And there you go. It basically saves time by skipping manual searches and taps, especially useful when you're in a hurry or you're driving. So there you go, guys. That is how to get directions from Google Maps on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.